morning, girls. So our topic for today is about area of rectangles. So it's something related to the lesson that we had yesterday, which is about perimeter. But the only difference is that in perimeter, we are solving or we are adding all the sides, isn't it, for perimeter? But in this lesson, when we are talking about the area, we are talking about how many squares are inside the figure. We are no longer talking about around it. We are now talking about inside the rectangle or any figure that will be given. Okay? So for example, a park manager is building a small rectangular playground. It will be 10 meters by 7 meters. Its area will be covered with shredded tires. What is the area of the playground that will be covered with shredded tires? Okay, so I will not make your life harder. The only thing that we need to do for area is to get one length and one width. And what do? We will just multiply to find the area. So as you can see, we will multiply 10 times 7. So what 10 times 7? We have 70. Okay? So that's it. That means the area of the given is 70 square meters. Okay, this is 70. Now, in area, we call it square meters because the word is, or the unit is meters, and I told you we are talking about the squares. So that your final answer would always be, example, 70 square, because there are squares inside. There are 70 squares, and then you will write the unit, which is meter. It depends upon, you can use kilometer, you can use centimeter, you can use meter. But for this given, we will use meter. Let's have more example for you to fully understand. Okay, the next one. So a formula. So you'll be encountering, I'll be asking you some formulas for the next lesson, or it might be this lesson or for the next lesson. So let's find out what formula means. So when you say formula, it is an equation that shows the relationship between two or more quantities. A formula uses letters to represent the quantities. You can use a formula to find the area of a rectangle. So when I asked you, what is the formula in getting the area of the rectangle? So when we say formula, we are using letter. A stands for the area, equals, L stands for the length, and then times W stands for the width. Meaning, the formula in getting the area of rectangle is length times the width. That's what you call formula. Okay, let's have the next example. Okay, if I ask you what's the area of this rectangle, I told you only multiply length times the width. So what's 9 times 5? See, 9 times 5 will give us 45. So right there, 45. Sorry if my handwriting's too bad. It's hard to write on the site. Okay, so as you can see, the unit is square. I told you write square feet because we use FT here. We call it feet. So 45 square feet because we're talking about the area. How about the next one? Okay, we got 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is? Very good. 6 times 2, that's 12. Oh, yeah. Then you write square inches because we use IN, inches. How about the next example? Again, same step. multiply 3 times 3. 3 times 3. What's 3 times 3? 9. Correct. Very good. 9 square. You will write square meters because that's M. Alright, I hope this lesson is very clear because I know that you are all smart and I know you will get it right away. So we will not have a hard time with this one. Let's go to the independent practice. Okay, so I want you to answer this question and send it to me through WhatsApp. Okay? But I will help you with number 7 because others might struggle a bit with the question. Okay? This one. A rectangle has an area of 42 meters or square meters, which could represent the length and the width of this rectangle. So, they're asking, or in the question, it is asked there, what numbers, when we multiply, we will get 42? Is it 7 by 6 or 6 by 8? I want to hear from you. Okay, very good. That's 7 times 6. So we will circle 7 times 6. That's how we do it. Easy, right? Alright, let's have the next one. As you can see, 9 equals times 1. Meaning they're asking what number should we multiply to 1 to get a 9 as the area. So we will do the opposite of multiplication, which is divide. 9 divide 1. Correct. The answer will be 9. Okay? So try the next one. Show me your answer later and send it to me through WhatsApp. Okay, dear? Also, the word problem. Let's see. Okay. So send me your answer for this one, for number 10. And for number 11, I will teach you how to do it. Okay, for number 11, a throw rug is 8 feet long and 4 feet wide. It is in a rectangular room with an area of 110 square feet. How much of the room is not covered by the rug? So the first thing to do is to multiply first, or get the area. So we'll use 8 and 4. Okay, we'll multiply first length and width, which is 8 times 4. Okay, after that, what is 8 times 4? We got 32. That's good. But they said that it is in a rectangular room with an area of 110 square feet. How much of the room is not covered by the rag? So after that, we will write 110 minus the area that we get, which is 32. Okay, we subtract. 0 minus 2 cannot be. Borrow 1 from 1. 1 becomes 0, and the 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 2 we will get 8. And 0 minus 3 cannot be. Borrow 1 from 1. 1 becomes 0, and 0 becomes 10 again. 10 minus 3 will get 7. Then 0. So the answer will be 78 square. You can write square like this, SQ. Then they use feet. So you write FT. Oh, then write T. I can write there. FT. Write it there. Okay? I hope you understand the lesson. Please do the rest. 10, 12, and the independent practice also. Okay? Thank you, girls, for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.